Check it out. Just got this. It's a microscope science experiment. Let's get it out of its case and see what we think. This is the hardest part, is always getting it out of here. Oh, it's taped. A knife. I think it's taped on both sides. Once we do that, Bob will be your schmunkle. Ooh, here it is. Oh, it comes with a little strappage. And then here, if I can get it out of here. Oh, there we go, got it. So I don't know, there might be more stuff in there. We might need to do something with it. So it's got like a thing here, and then you just put it down, and I guess you focus it with this. We'll have to try that and see what we think. But you can see here, it has like, I think it's got a little light bubble on the bottom there, and that's the focal point. To focus it, you take this and turn it, and then this also turns up here. And so you can do zoom from 120 to 60 times on here, 60 to 120. There's a start button here. And yeah, oh, here, to get, I think the battery goes in here. So we've got to put in a AAA battery. Of course I don't, I got to go find some. I'll be right back. Oh, before I get going, they do have this thingamabob right here. Do you see that? And so it shows you the different things that you can do, you know. I think it has a little bit of explanation on the inside. Yes, it does. Here, let's take a look. There's the interior, if you guys want to do a screenshot. And here is the outside of this thing. Bam, bam. So that gives you a little bit of information about it. Now I got to get a battery. I'll be right back. I am back with a battery. So we just got to, you know, negative side goes there, positive side there. Slide her in. Bam, we're in. Now we got to put our little case on top. And it kind of slides in. See that little hook there? Got to get that in there. I think it just should snap. And now we're ready to go. If I press this, there's our light. And now I can go ahead and do some looking at some stuff. Let's put it on here and see if it does, how it goes. Let's see if I can focus on it. Oh yeah. Wow, I can see all the little colors in it. You know what I mean? I wonder if I could show you guys from the inside. Let's see if I can do it. Well, anyway, it does work pretty good. I've got to say, I wanted to show you guys, you know, looking through this thing with the phone, but I couldn't get it to focus, unfortunately. But yeah, this thing's pretty cool. So, you know, if you guys want to get a little microscope for the kiddies so that they can see stuff, yeah, I highly recommend it. When I put it on here, I can see the individual little pixels in the picture, which is interesting. You know, I set it down on here. Let me show you. All right. So you can see there's this photo. So, but when I put it on here and then I look in here like this, I see the individual, like green, blue, black, red. You can't, you know, it's amazing. I mean, it's showing me how this is put together. So this thing's really good. I mean, it's cheap, but wow, I gotta say, it's a pretty damn good product. I mean, I can see the individual pixels inside of here. You know, you see a picture, but I see little dots of color that make that picture. All the primary colors mixed together to make the green and in the different colors. It's really cool. Yeah, totally cool. So if you guys want a nice microscope for just looking at stuff, I highly recommend it. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this.